In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix frozen scriptures on BibleShow. So if you're trying to change scriptures from one verse to another, but the change isn't picked, or even if you change the book, it isn't picked, then there is a problem. It means your scriptures have been frozen, and that's why they're not being displayed or changing. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So to unfreeze scriptures is pretty simple. Just go under controls here, and down you should see preview, and you can see we have an option to unfreeze. So if you see this, it means your scriptures have been frozen, and that's why whenever you switch scriptures, they won't change. If you unfreeze this, now you can see the scriptures are now changing in real time each and every time I click or I change them. So this is how you can fix this issue on your display or on your monitors. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.